Welcome to our video today, where we'll be exploring an essential aspect of working with data in Excel 365. Scoring values including NA, BA. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, understanding how to effectively work with missing or blank cells is crucial for accurate data analysis and representation. In this video, we'll delve into the concept of scoring values, including those containing NA, and provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to approach it. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to tackle common issues related to missing data in Excel 365. So, let's dive right in. When dealing with datasets, it's not uncommon to encounter cells that contain no value or are blank. In Excel, these missing values can significantly impact your calculations and analysis. This is where scoring values come into play. Scoring involves assigning a numerical value to each data point based on its position or characteristics within the dataset. However, when NA is involved, things can get a bit more complex. To break it down further, let's consider an example. Imagine you have a column of exam scores for students in a class. Some students missed the exam and therefore have no score recorded. This would be represented as NA. When calculating the average score for the entire class, you might want to ignore these missing values so they don't skew your result. Excel provides several functions that can help with scoring values, including NA, such as if NA or if error. These functions enable you to replace NA with a specific value of your choice, like 0, a blank string, or even another calculated value. This way, when performing calculations across the dataset, these missing values won't distort your result. Another approach is using statistical methods that inherently account for missing data, such as regression analysis. These methods can provide more accurate insights into the relationship between variables despite the presence of NA. Let's talk about a hypothetical scenario to illustrate this better. Suppose you're analyzing customer satisfaction ratings on a scale from 1 to 5, but some responses are missing NA. By using scoring techniques that consider these missing values, you can still derive meaningful conclusions about overall customer satisfaction without excluding any data points. It's also worth noting that the choice of how to score values, including NA, often depends on the specific requirements of your analysis. It might be necessary to consult with subject matter experts or consider additional context outside the dataset itself. To summarize, scoring values, including NA, in Excel 365 involves several key considerations. 1. Understand the nature of missing data. Recognize that blank cells can impact calculations and choose a method to address them. 2. Use appropriate functions. Functions like IFNA or IFER can help manage NA. 3. Consider statistical methods. Techniques like regression analysis can account for missing data in your calculation. That's all for today's video on scoring values, including NA, in Excel 365. I hope you now feel more confident about tackling datasets with missing values and are equipped to make informed decisions in your own projects. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If this content was helpful, be sure to like the video and consider subscribing for more tutorials on Excel 365 and other productivity tools. Until next time, happy data analyzing.